Let's go.
𝗪𝗲 is a renowned professional wedding and portrait photographer based in Abuja, Nigeria. So we hung out virtually one Monday morning to discuss about YouTube and how it influences creatives and entrepreneurs. So in this section of our conversation, he shared his top YouTube metrics and how he manages his YouTube channel's topic, which is photography, by incorporating other aspects of professional photography, and the type of content he plans making when his YouTube community grows. So if you're a designer, vlogger, artist, parent, tailor, whatever niche you find yourself, and you see the need to avoid doing the same thing or the same topic on your channel all the time, you can take a clue from this conversation.
So yes, I check my studio often, but I think the things that I tend to check is, I'm interested about click-through rate. Like, how are my thumbnails doing? How are my titles doing? But then I also check view duration. So like retention, are my videos keeping people to the end, right? Why is this video different from that video? What can I do better, you know? So I think click-through rate, average view duration, because also I want to be monetized. So how much of my videos are people watching? Do you know what I mean? Because I think the average on my channel, my videos are mostly 6, 7, 8 minutes. So are people watching 6, 7, 8 minutes? Are they only watching 1.5 minutes? Are they watching 4 minutes? I'm always curious about that, you know. And of course, that dreaded 1/10, 9/10, like compared to your last, that thing can be scary sometimes. Like, you know, you want each video to be 1/10, but of course that's not possible. Of course that's not possible.
The last video I uploaded was 10 out of 10. So it performed very poorly,
Yeah.
and just like I explained in my last live stream, I talked about this mic that I'm currently using, and you know, it's not what people will be interested to watch, like my audience, because if I talk about YouTube, people are ready to listen. But when I talk of something else like mic or any gadget, nobody bothers. So that now fitting into niche, that leads to niche. So on your channel, is it basically about, do you teach? I know I've visited your YouTube page, and I've watched a good number of videos there. So I want you, maybe for people that will want to know more about your channel, do you talk only about how to shoot photography, or is your niche just specifically how to shoot photography, or you have other things that you talk about on your channel?
Okay, so for now, because I'm trying to establish myself within the YouTube photography community, my videos are mostly photography, but it's not just how to take pictures. In fact, I don't do a lot of how to take pictures. I am particular about the entrepreneurial mindset. So how do we as photographers make more money? How do we get better clients? How do we manage the clients that we have? I make a lot of videos like that, because what we tend to do is we tend to teach each other how to shoot better. What's the best camera to buy? What's the best light to buy? That is necessary information, yes. But these other things I think are important. How do we handle bad clients? For example, if a client has an issue with you, how do you handle that? What are the best ways to, so a video that I'm about to drop is, how do you improve your photography business in 2024? You know, so should you have a personal bank account or a company bank account? How do you separate revenue from profit? You know, some of these other conversations. But yes, I have camera reviews, I have how-to videos, I have a podcast series called Tea with Calligraphy, where I bring a big photographer to just come and discuss, their backgrounds, how they started out, just so that these guys that you are seeing as if they've made it, know that they also started from somewhere. Know that they were like you too at some point. I think it's important to share those stories. So even though the overall niche is photography, under photography, I'm doing gear reviews, I'm doing business entrepreneurial mindset videos, I have a podcast. So yes, there's diversification under the photography niche. Yeah. Maybe when I'm able to build my community, a bigger community, maybe then I'll be more comfortable, confident doing like more personal things, like, a day in the life of or whatever, I don't know, but for now, it's mostly around photography.